How to add an emoji to your Google Docs headings. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how you can easily add an emoji to your Google Docs heading. So let's get started. So first thing first, just head over to your googledocs.com or just search in for docs.google.com and make sure you're currently logged into your account. As you can see, I've already logged in with my account, and now I've also created a new file or new document file over here. So in this case, if I were to use an emoji in this particular tab or document heading, I would simply tap on this three dot icon right next to that particular tab. You can also do this for the different tab as well. So if you have multiple tabs, you can do repeat the same process. So just tap on this three dot icon over here, and you can see there is an option that is choose emoji. Simply select it, and you can basically choose any one of these images just like this. So let's say I want to choose this, and just like that, you have successfully added an emoji on your particular tab or heading of your Google Docs. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.